Thermal meal box, retaining heat with phase change materials.
So we start with what key need will you meet. We are addressing the key need to keep meals warm for extended periods without reheating, particularly for people on the go or in places without consist access to microwave or electricity, such as workers, delivery riders, and students. Example, a lunchbox that keep food warm. The key need is people need a way to keep their food warm for hours without using microwave. Imagine someone who prepares their lunch in the morning and only gets to eat it in the afternoon. By then, the food is cold and less enjoyable. Our solution is designed to keep meals fresh for hours so they can enjoy a warm meal anytime, anywhere. This makes daily life easier, more comfortable, and healthier for many.
Now, let's move on to who's in key need of our product. Our product is designed for the corporate employee who wants to bring food to their work. Other than that, we also design our product for a student in university who doesn't have access to a food warmer. Moreover, we also provide this product for a food delivery services because they need to keep the meal warm throughout the transport of the food. And lastly, a parent who wants to bring a meal to a school for their children.
So let's move on to the next slide. So how big is the problem for users or customers? First of all, it can cause unwanted costs from reheating, buying backup meals, or using external heating methods. For example, the customer has to reheat the food in a microwave, increasing electricity use. In some cases, they might even throw it away and buy a replacement meal. Next is health risk if the food is stored at unsafe temperatures. For example, if the food has been kept at an unsafe temperature for too long, between 5 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius, harmful bacteria could grow, leading to foodborne illness. Last is poor user experience and potential loss of customers for food delivery services. For example, the customer is disappointed with the cold food and leaves a negative review, which could deter other users and cause a loss of trust in the service.
Now we move to the next slide. What happens if the need is not met? Firstly, unhappy packers and buyers. Meat packers may get frustrated without good packaging. Buyers might get cool or soggy food. This can cause complaint, bad review, and people may choose other service. Next, more energy used for reheating. Without proper packaging, food get cool fast. People have to reheat it more often, which use more electricity and harms the environment. Next, poor food quality and safety. Food left too long at the wrong temperature can grow bacteria. This can lead to spoilage, food poisoning, and even product recall. Next, missed touch opportunities. Without smart packaging, companies may fall behind. Others are using things like self-reheating. Others are using things like self-heating box and temperature labels to attract more customers.
Okay, now, how often does this happen? This is a daily issue commonly experienced by office workers and students who bring their own lunch, making it a frequent and family problems. When does this problem occur? First, 4 people will pack lunch. The main issue is that food often become cold, leading to change in taste and texture, like rice turning dry or mushy, and sauce becoming thick or oily, ultimately making the meal less appetizing and reducing the desire to eat. Second, for food delivery customer, a common issue is that meal prepared hot often arrive lukewarm or cold, especially with items like soap, fried food, or noodles, which lose their flavor and texture when not warm, leading to frequent complaints about the food not tasting as good.
So next is, what is our unique approach to meeting this need? So we are using phase change materials, a class of substance that absorb and release the thermal energy during the process of melting and freezing to create a passive heat retaining system inside a meal box.
Now, what is our solution broadly speaking? Our thermal mailbox lined with PCM insert, which is a phase change material that maintains food temperature within safe and warm range at 60 degrees Celsius for 4 to 6 hours. These PCM are reusable and safe, that it also being integrated into the design in a way it doesn't touch the food at all. So it is a safe option for the material.
Technical issue to solve. One key issue is selecting the right PCM. PCM should melt and solidify at the right temperature for the food. This helps it absorb or release heat to keep meals cool or hot. For example, for cooked food, we can use PCM that melts around 0 to 5 Celsius. For hot meals, something around 60 Celsius works best.
Second, the technical issue to solve is ensuring food safety. The PCM must be non-toxic and securely sealed to prevent any leak, ensuring it does not contaminate the food or pose health risks, while the container itself should be made from food-safe material for overall safety. Next, the technical issue is cost efficiently. The box should be affordable for everyday user with cost-effective material and manufacturing process that still deliver good performance. Striking the right balance between quality and price is essential. The last technical issue to solve is weight and design. The box must be lightweight and easy to carry, featuring a portable, ergonomic design suite for daily use by delivery driver, student, or families, and made from light yet durable material to maintain isolation without adding bulk.